Hey, hello everyone. Today, me and my son thought let's be a little bit more creative and let's spend our time in doing something colorful. So, for that, I chose some items which are easily available in our kitchen, and let me just give you a closer look. So, for this activity, we need a glue, then some pasta, maybe like these are all available. If pasta is not available, something like which the child can use and color it. Yeah, then these colors, then I have this watercolor as well, then a big sheet, you can use cardboard as well, some water and a paintbrush, of course. So my child is 4 years old and I'm just trying to engage him in doing some activity. So let's get started. So what are you going to start with?
Pink.
Pink color. Okay, is that your favorite color?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you are gonna do next?
Put on the prints. Face.
Prints. Okay, so you are picking up what? Capsicum?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can you put it there?
which one you want? You can take it. Keep the brush down. Take it. With this, if you color, what will happen?
It becomes pink.
It will become pink. Okay, that's okay. Very nice. You're coloring its edges. So what all things you have in your house which are of color pink? Do you
Pink?
remember?
We need blue, and pink color.
Okay, so do you remember anything which is pink in color in your house?
Yeah.
What? The paint itself, okay.
Hey, the paint is red. Then we are painting.
You can hold from one hand to give a support.
Finish.
Wow, is that beautiful?
You are.
Yes, good. Okay,
Now eyes.
eyes, okay. You can make more like that, yeah.
Now I'm going to make princess.
Princess you want to make?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next, which color you want to pick?
Black.
Black. Why black always?
Hey, it's the road.
It's the road.
Yeah.
Okay. So is black your favorite, or what is that? Why you use black all the time?
I love it.
You love it? That's great. So guys, doing all such things help your child to strengthen their fingers, and when they start writing, it will help them.
It's mouth.
Its mouth.
Eyes.
Okay.
And a bat wing.
What is that?
A bat wing.
I didn't get.
It's a bat wing.
Bat wings. Okay. Okay. Can you show me how do you write one?
Okay.
Okay. Two. Okay. Three. So friends, this is what he did with the capsicum which I gave him for the prints. So he, no matter what, whether it makes sense or not, but let us always appreciate the child. So how do I appreciate is like I give him stars, so he feel happy, and he feel confident that whatever he did, it is good, it is worth.
Now
So
shall we make some wheel, Mama?
I am gonna give him a star.
Thank you.
Yes, you did a good job. So our next activity is going to recognize some colors. So how we are going to make it interesting is like I got this one like from BidBasket. I ordered some apples and they have packed it in this. So I thought of using it. So what I did is like in if you can see, I have colored it here. I have colored green, this is pink, this is yellow, this is white. So what I'm asking my son to take up some few pasta from here, color them and match it and keep it inside this areas. So let us see how he does it. So which color you're doing first?
Pink.
Pink, okay. You have to be careful, it should not fall on your dress. Keep it here, you can do directly, keep it here. Great job.
Now green.
One by one you can do, otherwise you will mix all the colors. Yeah. Finish off the pink first.
That's okay.
That's okay, yes. And here he picked up the green. Okay, the last one. Yeah, you're doing great. Did you like this activity?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm making a helicopter. Oh, this is so long.
Can you please name the colors?
Green, yellow, white, pink.
Amazing. Yeah, Mama gonna give you a star again.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so what is going on? What is this?
I'm making a stem of that. Hey, you.
He picked up the cauliflower floret. And which color you are doing, Nihil?
Yellow.
Okay, good. Okay, you started making the prints.
Okay, I'll make a tree.
Okay, you want to make tree?
Green tree.
That's good. It's amazing, you know. Why did the water turn black?
Why? Because you spilled it black one.
I spilled black?
Yeah.
Oh. This is so beautiful. So next activity for us is to try making a flower, and we started already with this. This is the dried chips which I got.
Where shall I keep this?
It hardly cost you 40 bucks.
Where shall I keep this?
You tell me.
Shall I keep it here?
Great job. And one good thing about this is like I am seeing you don't need a glue because if you put paint it will get dried up and it will get stick to the paper. Okay. So what are you gonna do here? You are interested in coloring your fingers now? The leaf, you wanted to color the leaf. This is, I used the Tej Patta here.
Tej Patta.
Yeah. So we are almost done. So for the leaf, we used the bay leaf,
And where's another leaf?
and he colored it green, and the flower is pink, but since it is evening, so it's not visible if the branches and the flower are looking in the same color. So here we go.
But
And
where's another leaf? Where's another
you
leaf?
want to make another leaf? Okay, we will do it. So this is what he did, and now he deserves again a star. You did a good job. You like this activity? Very nice. So this is what we did today, and as you can see, he got a star as well. So it seems to be a little bit messy, but it is okay since he is still learning. And this is how we try to be creative here, and we are utilizing some of our kitchen items to do something. So yeah, and this was the other one, just to teach him about the colors. Though he know the colors, but still I keep on repeating, so that it will be more interesting for him as well to learn and to play. Yeah, so that's all for today. So see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.